everyone, Gagajoy. I'm glad you dropped in today. We're going to fix some pork chops, which is something we love. I just don't fix many of them because the kids aren't here anymore, and you know they won't be. I do love them though, and I'm using vegetable oil as well since we're using it. I'm using Wesson oils because of that instead of any other kind of oil. I just like Wesson oil pork chops. And we have a little sauce. This is 1/4 cup of maple sugar. A 1/4 cup of ketchup. And a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. I'm trying to say Worcestershire and it's soy. And 1/4 cup of vinegar. It's a really good or sauce that you want, either one. And 3 chopped pieces of garlic. I thought it was funny that they said chopped and not any kind of garlic. I love to use a garlic press though. I think it's, to me, better than chopped. But that's me. Let's see. Now we like to use bone-in, and I use this shell today because it's bigger, and that way they don't have to be crowded. A little bit there. I dried them off a little bit. Okay. I think we're done. Now I've got it on 350 high. I'm going to put the sauce on this side, and when we turn it over, I'll put it on the other side. And I'm going to put just a little bit of sriracha. I'm a sriracha lover. Just a tiny bit. Salt. Not much, but there is salt in the soy sauce. Now you need to let it cook on the side 4 minutes. And the thing about pork chops, they dry out real quick if you're not real careful, and after that they're good. Well, I don't think they are. Just to say they're good, but they're better if you're a little bit more. So, okay, don't do that. I don't put a lid on them because it would make them boil, and we do want a crispy pork chop here. Okay, now I've got them. I just put it down to about 300. Just turn it over. That didn't cut. They look a little dark sometimes, but that's the soy sauce. Well, our 4 minutes are about up. See how easy it is? It was a 1/4 cup of vinegar, a 1/4 cup of ketchup, a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, or, just plain maple syrup. I have used honey, and honey's good too. And a fourth of a cup of Worcestershire. No, I mean soy sauce. I was going to say that regardless. And 3 garlic cloves. It's just maple syrup and garlic pork chops. Let's check and make sure. They do look dark, but that's the Worcestershire sour. Let's pick the thickest one. Would probably be here. Oh yeah, this is 181 and 160 is good. So we got a good, it's very good. If you're a fan of those pork chops, my grandson came in, so he's coming back. He loves this one too. There they are. Let me taste one at the end here, before they get here. See, it's so tender and so moist. Yep. You can't beat that little quick recipe for pork chops. Well, it's been a good day. I know this was a fast little recipe, but try it. Take care of yourself. We're going to have pork chops, and I made a spaghetti salad yesterday, so we have supper cooked. Excuse me for talking. Take care of yourself. Remember the joy, and I'll see you soon.